Keep your nails clean and dry. Make sure to keep your nails clean and dry to prevent the growth of bacteria and fungi. Use soap and water to clean your hands and nails, and dry them thoroughly with a clean towel. Moisturize your nails. Moisturize your nails and cuticles with a good quality hand cream or nail oil. This will help prevent dryness and cracking, which can lead to weak nails. Use a base coat. Always use a base coat before applying nail polish to protect your nails from discoloration and staining. It also helps the nail polish adhere better and last longer. Choose light colors. In the summer, opt for lighter shades of nail polish, such as pastels and neutrals. These colors look fresh and clean and complement summer clothing. Use a top coat. A top coat not only gives your nails a glossy finish but also helps protect the polish from chipping and peeling. Avoid harsh chemicals. Avoid exposing your nails to harsh chemicals, such as detergents, cleaning solutions, and nail polish removers that contain acetone. These can damage your nails and make them weak. Wear gloves. If you're going to be doing activities that involve water or chemicals, wear gloves to protect your nails from damage. By following these tips, you can keep your nails looking healthy, strong, and perfect during the summer.